This is like the biggest blizzard we've had in 40 years. And here we are. Wah! Out skating around in the middle of the blizzard at the rink across the street. Hey, Leo! We got the dog out chasing the puck. We got the snow on the ground. Yeah, we got a whole family out here. Dad's skating too, of course. I had like about a half speed. The dog. There's the kids. One has a frog hat on. The other one has some striped. There we go. He's driving up the ice. Hey, Mick, you working on your stick handling? I know, who can? Woo! Oh, a little spin around. Yeah, we're expected to get up to 24 inches tonight. 24. Oh, my hand is cold. Let me assure you, my hand is cold right now. There we go. Hey, that hit me. Woo.
That's great.
What? No, she's not. I gotta put my glove on.